Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I will be teaching you how to use Mullvad VPN on a Mac. So let's just begin. First of all, you can see I'm on the platform mullvad.net and this is the official site. It should look something like this. Make sure to do not download any type of potential scams and viruses. Once you are here, we are going to be needing to download the browser on your Mac device. So head over to this download section, and once we are there, you will be having two different options to download it on basically multiple options, actually: Windows, Mac OS that we need. We also have for Linux and iOS. So this is the official link. So you can see we have Mac OS. Click on this green download button and you will have your software downloaded onto your site, onto your personal computer. So once you have that, make sure to install it and you will be able to use Mullvad VPN on a Mac. So that's how easy it is. If you want further help, let us know in the comments below. I will be more than happy to assist. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.